No intention to intimidate Miss Mngoma in a domestic spat.
uMalusi Gigaba utshele iKhomishana ukuthi akahambisani inhlobo nesinqumo esakhishwa enkantolo esithi wasebenzisa amandla akhe ngendlela engafanele ngokuthi abophise owayengumkakhe.
I still insist that I should have been invited to present my own case to be represented so that I can state my side of the story on this matter.
Uthi naye umuntu okwenziwa uNoma emzini wakhe embulalela impahla kwakungafanele umthetho kumele umvikele.
If somebody comes, destroys property in your custody and damages your study, takes your books to which you have invested so much and tries to destroy them, and takes your awards and breaks them and they ransack your study, must I as a man sit back and keep quiet because this is a woman?
Uthubeka izaba engacacile uNoma ngokuthi kwacishwa izithombe ocingweni lakhe ngoba lezo izithombe angakwazi ukuphinde azithole.
Those pictures, she can go to her Instagram account and find those pictures.
Gigaba owake waba ungqongqoshe wezemali kulelizwe uthi uNoma wenza kulesigcawu ezongcolisa igama lakhe ngoba engakwazi ukuthola izinto ayifunayo njengesivumelwano sesehlukaniso somshado wabo.
The witness actually lied extensively in coming to present that case, and that her being here has been done with the sole purpose of malice, because of the inability to extract from me what she seeks on the matter of our divorce. I still insist that what brought her here was malice and bitterness.
Lofakazi uthi uNoma Chule uyithanda kabi imali angenza noma yini ukuyithola.
She loves money. She loves money and would take money from anyone and demands it.
Gigaba uthi uNoma Chule uphatheke kabi ukuthi kungenzeka ngabe sakwazi ukuphila impilo ephezulu ingasekho imali yakhe uGigaba.
This is the person who came here, you know, this is the person who says when he was a minister, he used to do this, he used to do that for me, he used to give me this money, give me that money, buy me these bags and do that. And now that he is no longer a minister and probably no longer has the ability to help me afford this type of lifestyle, I should therefore demand of this lifestyle or of a payment. I don't have powers. I'm not a minister. I'm a former minister.
Calvin Dludla, wezindaba ze SABC, ngibika ngiseGoli.